Okay. Okay, so the first MCQ question was who developed the Python language? So from your side, tell me the name.
Guido van Rossum.
Yes, Guido van Rossum, absolutely correct. This will be the right answer, and I see I am taking 9 responses, and all of these are right. Well done. So the next one is, what do you use to define a block of code in Python language? Okay, what will be rather than
Indentation.
indentation? Yes, indentation. Absolutely correct, Sandeep. All of you have done absolutely right. Okay, so the next one is, what is the method inside the class in Python language? Okay, there are 4 options: object, attribute, argument, function. So what will be the result from your side? Sandeep, you please stop there. See, whoever else rather than Sandeep, others, so Swayam, Anjali, tell me, what will be the answer? What is the method inside the class in Python language? Between these 4, object, attribute, argument, function, what will be the result or the right answer? Anyone? Anyone? All are sleeping. Anyone, please tell what will be the right answer?
Function, sir.
Yes, obviously function. I see function is the correct answer. Some of us writing down object, and many of you are selecting attribute. Okay, so object and attribute not happening. It is function. Object, see inside the class, I am not seeing anywhere that object is created. Out after class creation, then we create object and function call about the class. So that will be the right answer, will be function. Now, which of the following function? Okay, so next one is, which of the following functions is a built-in function in Python language? Okay, so everybody given the correct answer, that is print. Print is the built-in function in Python language.
Sir, can you share a screen so we can see?
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so this is the summary of your responses. See, which of the following functions is done? Yes, which of the following function is a built-in function in Python language? The correct answer would be print. Okay. And what is the maximum length of a Python identifier? Yes, no fixed length
No
will
fixed.
be
No fixed
no
length.
fixed length will be provided here. %m refers to the which of the following in date time object? Capital M. Okay, so
So
this will be
minutes
not
as
month,
a
because %small m would be month and
Oh,
%capital M would be minute. Okay.
minute as 0 padded.
Yes, as a 0 padded decimal number. Now, single parent class inherit the property to multiple child classes, what is it called? Actually, I'm
Hierarchical.
little bit,
Yeah.
yes, hierarchical would be the answer. Actually, I'm little bit tricked because the question should like that multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class, then it would be easy for all of you that this will be hierarchical inheritance. But I am just asking the question by other side. Single parent class inherit the property to multiple child class. The question is same, but little bit tricky. So this is will be the hierarchical inheritance right answer. And the next one would be which type of Python programming does Python support? Okay,
Structure,
okay, tell.
all of the above, all the above.
Yes, all of the above, because there is no question about object-oriented programming, because Python programming in query development we work all the works using the object function. We have the functions to create, to ask, to call, and structured. We have a requirement structured from decision control statements also there. So the option is all of the above, not object-oriented programming singly. Okay. Yes, Python programming language, obviously object oriented programming language, but it also functional programming, it also structured programming. Okay. So then all keywords in are, sorry, all keywords. Okay. The question is all keywords in Pythons are in uppercase, lowercase, capitalized, or none of the mentioned. Okay.
None of the mentioned.
Lowercase, sir.
So, what will be the answer? Sandeep and Swayam, in spite of Sandeep and
In
Swayam, anyone, in spite of Sandeep and Swayam, tell me, what will be the answer? There are a little bit confusion.
Lower case. Lower case.
Uh, what will be? Lower case.
Lower case.
Lower case. Okay, so the answer lower case is wrong. Because why? Because true and false are written in capital. I am showing all of you in the keyword portion that true and false, these two things are in capital and all of the other keywords are in lowercase. Okay, so for these two the option will be none of the mentioned, because uppercase, not all are uppercase, not all are lowercase, not all are capitalized. Okay, so the options will be none of the mentioned. This is the right answer. Sandeep, understand why actually this is not lowercase?
yes, yes, I understand.
Because all, not all, true and false are in uppercase.
Yeah.
So this is the answer. Now move on to the next one. Okay, this is easy. What are the values of the following Python expression? I'm just not explaining the example. This will be the right answer. Just to show 2 star 3 star then 2. It means I'm just showing, it means this. Okay, it means this. Those who have done, please, this type of example, and this line means 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2, that is 2 to the power 6. Okay, and this line also means 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. So that's how it's emphasized, or explanation will get the answer. All are correct. And now move on for the next one. Okay, which of the following function shows polymorphism? Okay, so this thing I am doing in my polymorphism class. Okay,
Yes, sir. Len function. You give the
yes,
example.
the right answer would be len. Those who are selecting max or print, see, max or print don't show any type of polymorphism. Why len is showing polymorphism? Because I'm repeating it. Let's assume string dot dot dot. Okay, my name, just my name. Okay, just my name. This will be the string, and let's tuple for tup. We are doing bag and comma. Sorry. pen. Okay. For dictionary, we are just creating car. Okay. Then it would be like Mahindra. Okay. Comma. Then other things also there. Okay. So when we find length of string, then it will count the character 1, 2, the space is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer would be 7. When we found the length of a tuple or list, same as list also, it will count the elements. Okay, there are two elements, bag one element, pen one element. So the result would be 2. It's not counting the character when it will becomes for the tuple or list. When it will be comes forward for the dictionary, okay, it will count the key. Okay, these whole are key, not car is another key, Mahindra is another key, not car Mahindra, it's whole upon a key. So it will select 1 or 2 if it else. Okay, whatever. So len function shows different variety of its usage. So that's why len calls the polymorphism. Len shows the polymorphism. I think everybody clear who select print and max. Why print and max not showing polymorphism and len showing polymorphism? This is the example. Or you can go for the polymorphism class video and I will demonstrate very deeply. So now move on to the...
Sir,
Yes.
I think we can use a print as a polymorphism. If we print in double
Yes.
code, we write print 2
Mhm.
in double code plus 3 in double code.
Mhm.
Then it will print give the output 23. And in the other option, if we print 2 plus 3 without double code, then it will give the output addition
But
5.
print function is used to find the print. Print function is to uses the print, but len not uses for the length. For the string purpose, it will show the length. But for the different things, it is not length. It will shows us keys and element. Understand?
Yes.
And what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Print function just print. Yes, print function print and different type of print, it can be happening. But it actually print. But len function, what it actual character is finding the length. It happens only for the string. Whenever tuple or list or the dictionary come out, then for that, it will not founding the length, the key number or the element number, it is not the length. It actually return us the key and element number. Okay, so that's why length is differentiate the polymorphism from the others. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So which of the following is not a code data type for Python programming? That's easy class, obviously right answer. Okay, what arithmetic operators cannot be used with strings in Python?
Negative, minus.
Yes, that is the right answer. All of the mentioned not happened because though star and plus is a arithmetic operator, but it also used with strings. Why? Plus is used in the time of concatenation and star is used to the repeating of a string. Okay. So for these things, star and plus uh, is also used in strings, but minus is never used in strings. So the options will be all minus. To add a new element to a list, we use which Python command? It is easy. List append. Obviously, append we use. And also the next one, what are the two main types of functions in Python? Built-in function and user-defined function. That's also correct. Which of the following Python tuple? Yes, the symbol, that is parenthesis, first bracket. Now, these things. Okay, coding portion. What will be the output of the following Python code? Okay, as we saw, here we use upper. So it shows the lowercase letters into uppercase letter, and that's the third option. all are in capital. Okay, that's right. Now that's a tricky question. Okay, first of all, nobody give answer. I am asking one by one. What will be the output of the following Python code? Okay. While I less than 5, print I plus is equal to 1. If I is equal to 3, break, else print 0. First of all, those who select 0, 1, 2, 0, those who select, okay. Please tell me why you select this. Anyone? Any of you? Those who select this or this or this. I think one or two people each selecting this. Okay. I think one or two people selecting this. Please tell me from your side, those who selecting these three options. So what you select?
0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2 you
3.
select. 0,
Yes,
1, 2,
sir.
3 you select. Okay.
No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, 0, 1, 2 you select. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
because
yes, tell me. Because
it's shown that I is less than 1, and if I equal to 3, then 0, 1, and 2. And if
okay.
the I is equal to 3, it will break the loop. So that's why I select 0, 1, and 2.
Okay. So that means you selecting this. That means while I less than 5, print I plus 1 is equal to 0. If I is equal to 3, that means starting from 0, 0 less than 5. Okay,
Yes,
it's
sir, then
absolutely
1.
correct. Then print 0. Then 1 increase, 1 less than 5, yes. Then print 1. Increase 2. Okay, print 2. When it comes 3, 3 also less than 5, print
Sure.
I then just print 3 if I is equal to 3. Okay, so holding the
Then
printing
break.
break. Okay, so that's how you doing this. I
Yes, sir.
understand. Okay, so whoever else this, tell me. Anyone? See, this will be not the answer. Why? Because I am not written here this. Okay, Sam. If I writing here also I is equal to 0, that means the previous or the primary value of I 0. If I writing here or it's stored, then the answer will be like this. Okay, but here I am not writing any of the preset value of I. So it shows the error. Actual question was I is equal to 0, then the whole question, and that is the answer. But I cut off this portion and then given the question. Okay, so this is the answer. Error. Why error? Because it's not initial value 0. Initial value, whatever, if there will be 1, then the answer will be 1 or 2. Just because initial value is not given here, so it shows the error. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So error will be the answer. Gayatri, can you mute? Okay, just a minute. I'm muting. Okay. Okay, so this one. What will be the output of the following Python statement? ABCD 2, then is do. Okay, so simple A, B, C, D. 2 means not for the first two. Okay, this is the
C and D, the
0, 1, 2, 3. 2 means starting from here. So CD. CD is the right answer. Okay, now move on to the next. What will be the output of the following Python code? Okay. str1 hello, str2 just apostrophe, sorry, single inverted comma, str3 world, str1 -1 star. Okay, so I already told of all of you -1 means starting from here. Okay, so O is the right answer. Don't H or don't OLLEH. Okay. Can you tell me what will be the right answer again? Those who doing this. The right answer will be 0.
0. O.
Oh, sorry. O. That is O.
Yes, sir.
Then the next is suppose list 1, 422, 4521. Which of the following is correct syntax for slicing? All of them mentioned. Yes, all of the things we can use for the slicing. And okay. So these things. D1 John 40, Peter 45. D2 John 466, Peter 45. D1 is equal to D2. Okay. So here, what will be the answer? Tell me, what will be the answer?
So false, because the value of the John is not same in both. Like in D1 is
Yes,
40 and in D2 is
obviously the answer will be
466.
false. What actual operator comes here, or what actually operator it will be given here? What is this operator called? Actually,
comparison operator.
yes, actually comparison what operator works, then it's supposed to be given the false. Okay, because it's not same in the John value. Not error and not true. Okay, John value of John is different. So this will be the end, and I think the next one will be the last one. Okay, now this thing. Okay, so what will be the answer of this? Those who given none of the mentioned and those who given -2, -1 comes forward and tell me why. A 0, 1, 2, 3, I is equal to -2 for I not in A. Okay, see, first the answer will be error, because not is not a keyword in the syntax of for loop. Okay, for I in A, this is actual for loop syntax. Never ever there will be not word used in for loop syntax. So this will be the exact answer, error. Okay. So one thing, if for I in A will be there, what will be the answer? For all of you, for I in A, then what will be the answer?
So none of them mentioned, I think.
No, not from the 3, because for I in A, print I, first of all it will check for I in A. -2 is not in
Not in
A.
A.
So just print,
So it's -2, 0,
2.
and 1.
just print this. Nothing. Sorry,
Okay.
nothing. It will do nothing. Just this. Okay, so remind that
So
not,
why?
yes.
So why 3? What it's written na I equals to -2.
For
So
I in A, line will be
I
for
in A,
I.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no, for I in A you said, na? Then the value of the I remains the -2 here.
I remains the -2. Yes.
Yeah. So the output is 0, 1, and 2, no?
Why not 3?
So because it's if we use minus, like -1 place is 3 and -2 is 2, na? That's how I'm counting.
For I in A. Okay. That's the I think that's the syntax, or that's your given condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If for I in A, I value already given
Yes,
-2.
sir. -2.
If for I in A, if I is in A, then print I. Okay. Then I plus is equal to 1.
1.
But I value is not in A. Why this
Yeah.
why this condition, this loop will happen? Understand?
Yeah.
I not in A.
Yeah.
Minus is not in A. Why this condition satisfy? So nine, there is no other things in this condition. Just simply A what will store initially. This will be C.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the things for the MCQ test. Now move on to the as written assignment test, and I think the coding portion actually you worried, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a second. Just a second. Okay, so the first write a variable identifier. Okay, that should be easy. Example. Okay, I'm sharing this. Wait a minute. Okay, so variable and identifier definition, it would be easy. An example also. At least 3 rules of naming of an identifier. Can you tell me anyone? What will be the naming?
So that should be start with alphabets only.
Yes,
And,
alphabetical.
yes,
So it cannot be a reserved
name,
Python
and
table.
it don't should be
Yes.
it
And
don't
it would be the character and number, and special character would be underscore,
underscore.
nothing else.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay,
And
that
we can't use the keyword as a identifier.
reserved. Yes, we can't
Reserved.
use reserved keyword as an identifier. So that's it.
And a white space is not also contained. It
Yes.
should contain white space.
List of minimum 2 example of assignment, arithmetic, and comparison operator. That would be easy for the assignment operator. Okay. For the assignment operator, you can use single is equal to, and write down the short note that I am asking. It assign value of the operand. Assign value of the operand. And other things would be plus or is equal to, after it will be written here like that, add and assign